All right, so here's our massage table. It's all set up. And you get on it either way, like you're working on the front of you. Here you are. You can even stick your head, I guess, in this thing if you had to. Or you flip it around. You got two face holes, one here, which we took out the piece that's over there. Or you got this thing here where you just stick your face in here, like that, and get your back work done. So it works pretty good, I think. Now to break it down, it's pretty simple. The side pieces just come out like this. You just pull out, and then what you do is you turn these in. So that's your one piece turned in. Pull your other side out. Same thing. Turn it in. And your headrest, you gotta pop this. This slides right out. And then you just set it like this, bring it over, and then pop it again, and then it kind of locks. So those pieces are ready to go. Then you got your other piece over here. This piece here goes inside this hole right there. Yeah. And now we're ready to go ahead and break this down. So to break it down, I'm going to set these over here. All right, so anyway, we'll take these pieces, we'll set them over here. All you got to do is you just grab your table, swing it up, set it down like that. Bam, done. Very simple. Bend it, and then just slide it in like that. And that's pretty much it. That just closes in there like that. A little tight here, that's why it's pulling. You'll see this right here. This is pulling on it. And then again, you got to bend this, bring this in like that. Bam. But before you do that, you want to put away your pieces. So you've got your head thing. And the head thing, I believe, was over here on this one. So I'm just going to slide it in there like that for now. Just like that. And then arm pieces, I think we're going to put those over here. One and two. And then this thing here, stick it right down in the middle here. Bam, done. Now that should close without any problem. Bam, and then, maybe not. Maybe I need to put these this one I can definitely put here, because this will close over it like that. And then once that's closed, then I can slip this one in. Because you don't want to catch it right on that thing. And that should do it. Now all you got to do to close it up, because it's portable, is you're just going to bring these two sides together like that. Bam. And then you just got to get down here and put your things on. Yeah. And you're ready to go to the next client. Bob's your uncle. Oh, and you do have this, which is a carrying case that you can put it in. I don't know if you to protect it. You might want to do that. And it's got the area for the, oh, I see, it goes like this. So it slides in, kind of slides in there, like this. Lift it up, smush it on. I do believe. Oh, so this is the top. This is the top. So you got to get your thing on the. It has those. Feet on the bottom. On the very bottom here, there's feet to stand it on. Where is it? Oh, they're on this side. Okay, I see. All right, so you get it. So you need to get this where the handle is, right? So that means we got to slide it up like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on its side like this. Then, oh, I'm going to put this like that. So now the handle area will come up, and then I can put it in the thing. Flip it over, flip it one more time, bring this side up. Yeah, this is ridiculous. But I guess you want to keep it from getting screwed up. So, there you go. Right, so now we got the cover on. And then this comes over like that. You got a zipper on it. It just zips like that. Bam, done. And now you protect it with the case. Finally. Took me a while. All right.